HPL 532 old school coming at you. Here we go, man. There's the finished box. This is that fourth order cabinet that I started on about, I want to say, it's about a week and some change ago. It's been finished. It's been in the car. It's been in my son's car, but I just decided to put some stain on it. So, excuse me, we got it all stained up, and I mean, it's not the prettiest looking stain. I mean, I guess when you put on the stain, you kind of want to go light on it, because if you don't go light on it, it starts changing the appearance of the wood, and it starts looking like it's been spray painted. But it's fine. I mean, this is just a test box, because the original box was going to have a 6-inch arrow port that was right here, but I changed it up and put a blow-through port on it, so it goes right into the cabin of the car, and it sounds good. We only have 1200 watts on it, but this thing moves some air. Now, when I say move some air, it's not like those systems that are doing the hair trick, because they got thousands of watts. Mind you, me, this only has 1200 watts going to two SA12s. So in the future, we'll probably put 2500 watts on it and see how it goes. And I think the box can still handle 2500 watts without getting in trouble with vent velocity. So that'll be the next thing that we do, is increase the power, because it acts like it really wants more power. It sounds good. It sounds good. It sounds much better than the previous slotted port box that I had on here, or vented port, that was tuned to 20, I believe it was tuned to 29 hertz. This sounds way better, and I think that the bass is fuller. I mean, let's say it's a tighter bass. Well, I guess because you have a sealed chamber and you have the ported chamber, but it's a tighter bass. It's a stronger bass. The bass is actually going straight into the cabin. It's not going into the trunk and bouncing off the trunk and then coming back in. It is very strong. It's a very strong bass for 1200 watts. Let's see if we can take a look. There's a little port right here. I know you can't see in there because I don't have a flashlight, but this is the finished product. All in all, I think this is the best performing box that we've had so far. It outperforms the regular ported box. I was going to do a 6-order cabinet, but for right now, I don't see a reason to, because I haven't exploited this one to the fullest. I haven't put enough power on this. So I want to see how this one sounds, with more power on it, and then, maybe I get bored and do something else. But and I guess the last but not least, on my next build, I am going to rebuild this box, but I'm going to do inch plexiglass here And I'm going to do an inch plexiglass here so you can see through this way and you can see through this way. And then I'll probably use maybe acrylic dowels on the inside, some beefy acrylic dowels on the inside, so when you're looking through, looks pretty cool. But yeah, this is it. So thanks for hanging in there with me. I know it was long-winded, but it was well worth it. Like I said before, you know, don't be afraid to fail. You know, if you want something, there's a particular type of base that you're looking for. You don't, excuse me, and you don't want to go out there and break the bank, man, do it yourself. Because I tell you what, once you build your first box, I don't care if it's a sealed box or a ported box. Once you build your first box, you're not going to stop there, and you're going to get better and better. And as time goes on, I mean, your craft is going to excel. You're going to get better and better and better. So you know what? You might come out with a box that's not so, you know, that's a failure, and it's not necessarily a failure, but doesn't meet your specs. But I tell you what, you know better than anybody else what you want. So, you know, you mess it up, you know what? That's what wood is for. See that wood up there? That's what wood is for. Just get you some more wood, do it all over again. Once you find the right one that you like, then go ahead and get the good wood and build it. You know, the next one will be built with plexiglass and probably Baltic birch. You know, something that's like 13 ply. You know, so that I can, you know, just want to try and see what it does. But all right, talk to you.